Hello, hello. I got a package. This is going to be interesting. Um, because surprisingly, this came from New Zealand. Okay. And it took forever. Absolutely forever to get it. I did not know it was coming from New Zealand, but here it is. And I'm hoping this is everything that everyone says it is. Let's see. La. Okay. For those of you who haven't heard about Deliciou, it is vegan maple bacon. I have a maple bacon seasoning that's vegan. And supposedly you put this seasoning on things and it tastes just like maple bacon. Here I have vegan nacho cheese. And, oh my gosh, original bacon seasoning. So anything you want to taste like bacon, supposed to be right here. I don't know. The reason I'm super excited about this, I used to be vegetarian and vegan for a while, and what I missed the most was bacon. And that was probably the most difficult part for me. I am no longer vegetarian, but I would like to get back to that place, and I would still miss the bacon. And there was no vegetarian or vegan product that does bacon any justice. So we'll see. The smell is a little weird, so I don't know. So I brought up here some toast and some chips. So I was trying to get something that would be kind of crunchy, but my toast is kind of soggy-ish. I don't know. No crunch there. But we're going to sprinkle some of these seasonings on and see if they're any good, if they live up to the hype. If not, I'm going to be so sad and disappointed because it seriously took like 2 months for me to get this, and I heard a lot of great reviews about it, and I would do anything to like have a really great substitute for bacon. So I'm gonna try the original first. I didn't smell the other ones because I didn't even like the smell of this one. So I'm gonna sprinkle it on a tortilla chip. I don't think it's a tortilla chip. It's like a multi-grain chip, but we'll see. I don't even know how. So I wanted something that was crunchy. Doesn't smell like bacon. Oh my gosh. That right away, like if it doesn't smell like bacon, that's like half the fun. That's like bacon smell. All right, let's just bite it. Hmm. 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 It's not bad, but it doesn't taste like bacon. It almost tastes what I would think a nacho cheese dip would taste like. Here's one. You wanna try it? Oh my god, my dog sniffed it and rejected it. Not a good sign. Okay. So now we're gonna try the nacho cheese. I don't know, so far I just haven't found anything that was anything as good as bacon. And I feel bad about it, I really do. Hmm. It doesn't taste like nacho cheese at all. I don't know what that tastes like. Nope, not a fan. Next. Maple bacon. Oh my god. Please. Like I haven't even put any on the toast. I'm like, I seem to be getting enough of the flavor on the chip. Um, that's pretty weird. I kind of taste like maple stuff, but with another aftertaste. Well, guys, I don't know. Not a fan. Man, that's a dang shame. And it says, make anything taste like bacon. All purpose bacon flavored seasoning. There it is. You can try it for yourself if you want to. It'll take a while to get, but no, it tastes like super like artificial and weird. I don't. I'm definitely not going to be ordering this again. I mean, I'll keep experimenting with it. Like, I'll try a couple other items to put the seasoning on. Um, I don't know. I don't like it that much, though. It doesn't smell like bacon. It doesn't really taste like bacon that I can tell. But like maybe I'll fry up some uh, tofu, like really thin slices of tofu, and fry it up, and then put that in and fry it some more and see if that makes a difference. I don't know. I don't know. Maybe I'm doing something wrong. They have a recipe page on their website, so I can check that out and get some ideas. And I'll keep experimenting with it. But my initial reaction is, I don't like it that much. Oh, I'm so sad. I was looking forward to it. What are you gonna do? Can't win them all. Okay, that's all I had for today. So thanks.